This video is dedicated entirely to Creative Fabrica Spark. It's their suite of AI tools that are very accessible, very intuitive, and my favorite part, very affordable for us print-on-demand sellers. I mean, they exist solely to make our lives easier. And my goal in this video is to give you a brief rundown and demo of what each of these tools does. Now, before I show you, I just wanted to plug our friend of the channel, Juna at Detour Shirts. He did a 20-something minute video where he went in depth. So I'm going to link to that in the description and in the YouTube cards. If you want that full tutorial, go check him out. His video is incredible. My goal today is to walk you through everything, but do it in a timely fashion. So why don't we get right to it? In order to access the CF Spark tools, go ahead and click Spark on your Creative Fabrica dashboard. From here, you can access all of the tools that I'm going to be showing you from a single page. I also wanted to let you know that just today, they launched their CF Spark mobile app, currently available to iOS users. I will link to that in the description as well so that you can work from your phone. Now, I want to walk you through at a high level how to use each of these tools. And again, check out Juna at Detour Shirts video for a very in-depth tutorial on each one of them. So I would actually start from the bottom where they have the CF Spark prompt builder. If you're a newbie, or at least not an expert when it comes to using AI basically text to image AI, where you input a text prompt and let the AI generate the images for you based on what you typed, the CF Spark prompt builder is a great place to get started because it gives you ideas for additional inputs and how to structure an input to get the best results possible. Now that feeds right into the CF Spark art generator, which is the text to image AI art generator that I just referred to. After that, they have the CF Spark writer. This has a bunch of different ways to help you with written content. So instead of you providing the text input, CF Spark writer will generate text for you based on limited inputs that it needs from you. For instance, if you're selling on Etsy, it can help you with all of the SEO required. That means titles, descriptions, anything. I actually thought that you could use the personalized option and go to where it says generate greeting card ideas and feed that into message card jewelry. So check that out if you if you need ideas for message card jewelry. Next, CF Spark Flow. So here you can input an image, right? So I used my Ryan Hogue branding and I allowed it to create little variations of that initial source image. So this can be, a nice way of, if you have a graphic that you really like that is selling well and you want to make variations of it, this could be a nice way to do that. Next, they have CF Spark Patterns. This is what it sounds like. It uses AI to generate patterned images, perfect for all over print and tiled designs because they're going to be seamless patterns. And it uses AI to do that. Very similar to the CF Spark art where it's a text to image generator, except everything is going to be a seamless pattern. Next, they have CF Spark Crystalline. Now this is a little bit outside the realm of my personal expertise, but everything in there is generated, intended for use as a cut file. After that, there's CF Spark coloring pages. I recently talked about this in a video. If you're a KDP seller, you are going to need to have unique book interiors because they made a big push for that to make their sellers have unique interiors. And there's no better way of doing that than allowing AI through a text to image prompt to generate your coloring book pages for you on demand. And CF Spark coloring pages does just that. CF Spark Sketch is similar. It's not necessarily optimized for coloring books, but CF Spark Sketch is a text to image prompt where it will generate sketched images. So one output style, and that is that it basically renders it as if it was hand drawn, but it's using AI. CF Spark Image Mix is super cool. I did a video on this a few months ago. And there's actually a Chrome extension you can use so that if you have that Chrome extension installed for Image Mix, you can click any image on the internet. It will feed it into Creative Fabrica's Image Mix generator. And what it does is it basically remixes that source file into different outputs. I've had a lot of fun with this one. And if you've got, like I said, like a best-selling design or design element that you want remixed so that you can double or triple down in that niche, this is a great place to do that. So that covers everything included in the CF Spark AI tools, guys. I hope you found this useful. My goal was to keep it short, and hopefully I did just that. You can find a link to join Creative Fabrica at the best rate possible in the description, as well as a link to Juna at Detour Shirts, more in-depth tutorial, and finally, of course, a link to their new mobile app. Guys, thank you for watching. Please hit that like button on your way out and subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you tomorrow with a new video.